want you to do is I need everyone to take out their notebook and their pencil because you're going to have to write a few things down. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Give me 1 second. All right, so today I'm going to introduce to you something a bit new to us. We're going to be looking at a set of data, and today we're going to learn what the words mean, median, mode, and range mean when we discuss data. Hang on, guys, let me. Okay, can everyone see that? Give me a thumbs up if it looks okay. Not too blurry. Great. All right. So when I say go, I'm going to give you 30 seconds. In your notebook, I want you to copy down exactly what I have on this whiteboard. Please copy the numbers exactly in the order they appear. And then write down the words mean, median, mode, and range. I will try to make it a little clearer. Give me a thumbs up as soon as you have finished copying your set of data and all 4 vocabulary words. Thank you, Jasleen. Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Chris. Awesome. Aiden, great job. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get started. It looks like most of you have finished. Willie, I see you. Eric, did you get some time? If not, you can copy as we work, okay? So this particular set of data that we are working with, oh wait, hang on. Sorry guys, I'm trying to set it where you can unmute yourself. There we go. All right, so this particular set of data that we have is in numerical order. Numerical order means I put it in order of least to greatest. Sometimes you will receive sets of data where all of these numbers are jumbled up, but for today, I have already placed them in order of least to greatest for you. We're going to go through each word. We're going to write down a very short definition, an easy way to remember what each word means, and then I will model to you how to find those definitions, and then you'll get to do some problems on your own, okay? So our first few numbers are 1, 1, 7, 9, 12, 13, and 20. The word mean is just a fancy way of saying average. So next to the word mean, I want you to write average. The word average should be pretty familiar to you. So like when we calculate your grades, we find the average of all of your assignments together, okay? The way that we find the average is we add all of the numbers. And then we divide it by however many numbers we started with. So in this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. Whatever we calculate when we add them all together, we are going to divide it by 7. You can unmute yourself if you have any questions for me. All right, great. Let's go ahead and add them all together. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to add all 7 numbers independently. Go. Yes, so I see a few answers in the chat. 63 is the correct answer there. So when we added up all of the numbers, we ended up with 63. Great job, Aiden, Eric, Willie. Now my second step here was to take the total of all numbers and divide it by 7. So I want to give you 30 seconds to do 63 divided by 7. You can put your answer in the... Aiden, I want you to go ahead and recalculate, Aiden.
It's 9.
Yes, the answer there is 9. So then the answer to our problem is my mean equals 9. Sorry, guys, I thought you could hear me. So we're moving on. The next word we're going to discuss here is mode. The mode, I really like this word because for me, the first 2 letters really give me that definition. Mode begins with M-O, and the definition for this is the number that appears most often. So I like to memorize this using the M and the O. The M stands for most, the O stands for often. What this means is which number in our set of data do we see appearing the most often? Go ahead and put it in the group chat for me. I see Nick is already there. Jasleen has hers.
1.
1. Great job, guys. So our mode for our set of data is the number 1. I have a question though. Push your thinking a little bit. What would happen if this 1 was not here? What would my mode be then? Okay, good. I'm going to talk to you like this for a second. So if we took away that 1 in our set of data, what would have been our mode then? Willie, what are you thinking?
There wouldn't be.
There wouldn't be one. Yeah, you would just put none because you wouldn't have a number that appears most often if none of those digits repeat themselves. I'm going to share my screen again. Chris, let me know if this works for you this time, okay?
Yeah, it does.
Okay, great. All right, the next word is the median. Does everyone have median written down? Great. So median is going to be our number that falls in the middle of our data, okay? So just like when you're in the car with your parents and you're driving down the highway, those dividers that go in the middle are called the medians of the road, right? It's
Yes.
they split down the middle of the road. So that's just another fun way to remember that. I like to draw a line directly through the word median. In my definition, I would write down middle of data set. And just put middle of data. So the median's not very hard to find, right? We just have to find the middle of our data. Something that I want you guys to go ahead and do with me is I want you to take both of your fingers. I don't know if you can see me, but I can see you. Take both your fingers. Good. And I want you to put them on the outside of your data. This is important because although we think that our eyes naturally go to the middle of it, sometimes we're off a number and it can throw our entire answer off. So we eliminate together. We start here. Go to your next. Go to your next. What falls in the middle of our set of data?
9.
9. Great.
12.
Now I want to make a connection. Where else do we see this number 9 repeating at?
The mean.
The average.
The average,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So great. Next class, we're going to explore the connection between the mean and the median. Okay, so just keep that in mind. I want you to be thinking about why those numbers may be very similar. The last one I want to discuss with you is called the range. The range is very easy. We're going to take our highest number and our lowest number and find the difference. Chris, what does the word difference mean?
What?
Subtract.
What does the word difference mean? Subtract. Good. So we're going to take our highest number. Jasleen, what's our highest number here? 20. Good. And what's our lowest number, everyone?
9.
1. What is 20 minus 1?
19.
19. Great job. So although those words are very fancy and they're very big, they give us very, very, very short and simple definitions so we can easily analyze any set of data. All right, Liam bowled 5 games with the scores of 85, 105, 120, 125, and 140. What is the median?
Oh God, dang. Okay.
This one is 20.
Yeah.
I think the median is 120.
Let's see.
Yeah,
Oh, I
120.
missed it. Yes, the
Yeah.
answer is 120. Great job. We're going to do about 2 more of these, then we'll go into exit ticket, okay? McKenna walked her dog Otis this week 5 times for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 12 minutes, and 10 minutes. What is the mode? You guys can blurt this to me. I think this one will come fast to you.
Yeah.
Is it the most?
5.
No, it's 10. It's 10.
Yeah.
It's
5.
It's 10 minutes. Good. All right, let's do one more. In the last 6 games, Taylor had 0, 2, 2, 3, 3, and 5 hits.
5.
What is the range of his hits?
5.
5. Good. You guys got pretty good at that pretty quickly. Now I'm going to give you an exit ticket. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can everyone see my document camera?
Document camera. I don't think you can see the YouTube channel screen.
Huh. Okay, let me stop share again. I promise, guys, as classes go on, I will get better. I'm trying to problem solve these things.
Who left?
Can you see my document camera now?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So our exit tickets are going to look like they always do. I will give you a question. You'll get 2 minutes, and then your criteria for success is listed over here. As always, you do not need to write out the word criteria for success. What you will do, though, is after you have the answer, I want you to type it in the group message. Do you understand? So criteria for success today, I need these numbers in numerical order. I'll unblur it. I need these numbers in numerical order. I need you to find the median and then write me a sentence. You have 2 minutes. Time starts now. I'll read it in case it's blurry. What is the median of these numbers? 5, 10, 14, 9, 19, 6, 16. Great, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm waiting for about 3 more answers, okay, guys? And do me a favor, next time we do exit ticket, I want you to make sure your message goes straight to me privately, not to everyone, because then you give everyone the answer. Does that make sense? It's got to come straight to me. Thank you, Aiden. Got it. Chris.